Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next MCQ is random, uncontrolled activity of some cells in the brain leading to chaotic activity in the both sensory and motor nerves causes patients of to see and hear different strange things. Option A, epilepsy. Option B, Parkinson's disease. Option C, Alzheimer's disease. Option D, Huntington's disease. Our correct answer is A, epilepsy. Our next MCQ is part of hind brain responsible for the balance and equilibrium of body is called. Option A, medulla. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, pons. Option D, thalamus. Our correct answer is B, cerebellum. Our next MCQ is events of menstrual cycle are related by. Option A, ethylene. Option B, gonadotrophins. Option C, auxins. Option D, gibberellins. Our correct answer is B, gonadotrophins. Our next MCQ is decrease of FSH and increase of estrogen cause pituitary gland to secrete. Option A, somatotrophin. Option B, luteinizing hormone. Option C, testosterone. Option D, spermatogonia. Our correct answer is B, luteinizing hormone. Our next MCQ is transmission of Neisseria gonorrhea is best described by which one of the following? Option A, orophycal route. Option B, unsafe sex. Option C, vector-borne. Option D, droplet infection. Our correct answer is B, unsafe sex. Our next MCQ is syphilis is caused by. Option A, spirochete. Option B, nostoc. Option C, water balloons. Option D, cyanobacteria. Our correct answer is A, spirochete. Our next MCQ is AIDS is caused by. Option A, bacteria. Option B, virus. Option C, fungi. Option D, alga. Our correct answer is B, virus. Our next MCQ is brain is protected and enclosed in. Option A, lumbar vertebrae. Option B, coccyx. Option C, vertebral column. Option D, cranium. Our correct answer is D, cranium. Our next MCQ is longest bone in the human skeleton is. Option A, ulna. Option B, fibula. Option C, tibia. Option D, femur. Our correct answer is D, femur. Our next MCQ is hips and shoulder joints or example of. Option A, hinge joints. Option B, ball and socket joints. Option C, synovial joints. Option D, cartilaginous joints. Our correct answer is B, ball and socket joints. Our next MCQ is in pelvic region of human body, sacrum is formed by fusion of. Option A, 4 vertebrae. Option B, 5 vertebrae. Option C, 6 vertebrae. Option D, 3 vertebrae. Our correct answer is B, 5 vertebrae. Our next MCQ is each muscle fiber is surrounded by a modified cell membrane called. Option A, sarcolemma. Option B, sarcomere. Option C, myosin filament. Option D, myofilament. Our correct answer is A, sarcolemma. Our next MCQ is which one of the following hormone is antagonistic to insulin and cause increase in blood glucose level? Option A, glucagon. Option B, norepinephrine. Option C, calcitonin. Option D, thyroxine. Our correct answer is A, glucagon. Our next MCQ is Beta cells of islets of Langerhans produce which one of the following hormone? Option A, glucagon. Option B, insulin. Option C, pancreatic juice. Option D, parathormone. Our correct answer is B, insulin. Our next MCQ is, the central portion of adrenal gland, adrenal medulla, produces which one of the following hormone? Option A, aldosterone. Option B, epinephrine. Option C, androgen. Option D, corticosterone. Our correct answer is B, epinephrine. Our next MCQ is, which one of the following hormones are called fight and flight hormones, as they prepare an organism to face a stressful situation? Option A, adrenaline and aldosterone. Option B, epinephrine and norepinephrine. Option C, cortisone and oxytocin. Option D, thyroxine and norepinephrine. Our correct answer is B, epinephrine and norepinephrine.